Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn action verbs in Dinka language. Let's begin from 1. To wake up. In Dinka is bapach, bapach, bapach. Pach means to wake up. To take a shower. In Dinka is balawak, balawak, balawak. Wak, wa, aka, wak. Wak mean to take shower. Or you can say balalak. Balalak. Lak mean to take shower. Bathing. 3. To brush your teeth. To brush your teeth mean bayilich wak. Bayilich wak. Bayilich wak. Wak mean to watch. Or you can say bayilich chot. Bayilich chot. Chot. To dress in Dinka mean ba alet tau. Ba alet tau. Ba alet tau. Alet is the plural of clothes. Clothes. Alat mean clothes, but alet mean clothes. Tau. Tau mean to put on. Tau alet put on your clothes or dress simply. Number 5. To walk. To walk mean balui, balui, balui. To go to work mean bala luaich, bala luaich. To go to work. Work mean luai, luai, la uai, luai. Number 8. Work mean chat, 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 cha, ha, ta, chat. To work. Number 9. To walk mean bachap, bachap, bachap. I am walking and chat. Number 10. To walk to towns. To walk to towns. In Dinka is bachap get each. Bachap get each. Bachap get each. Get is the plural form of gel. Gel like this. Ga, l, u. Gel is singular, which is town. If it is towns, mean get, towns. 11. To walk home. To walk home, bachat by or balabai, bachat balabai. Number 12. Washing mean dye, 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 da, I, dye. To watch mean badai, badai, badai. To watch. To watch football mean badai ikura, badai ikura. Kura is football. To watch the clothes. To watch the clothes mean baalet work, baalet work, or you can say baalet log, baalet log. If it is singular, to watch clothes mean baalat work or baalat log. Log or work mean wash. To go to sleep. To go to sleep, balanin, balanin or balanin, balanin. Nin mean sleeping. Number 17, which is a very good term word, to relax. To relax. To relax mean balong, balong, balong. To relax, you come back from a very tiresome work, then you have to relax, balong. Number 18, to go to dance. To go to dance mean baladir, baladir. Dir mean dancing. This brings us to the end. Yenakan, the end. by William Majak, dupioc Tongjans. Please follow, like, share, and thank you so much for uh, being part of this great channel for learning Dinka language together. I'm William, and Usas Dinka Lesson Bay. Please, if you like what I do here, you go to my Facebook page, you go there and subscribe. If you subscribe, you are going to help me to get small money there. If you subscribe in my YouTube or in my in my Facebook page, it's very important. There are some of you who always ask me how they can help me, and that's the only way you can help me. You go there and subscribe to be the first subscriber, because if you subscribe, maybe per a month you can subscribe for 0.20 or 0.4 or 0.50 dollar. It's not that much money. That is for your subscriptions. So also you can do it here for my YouTube, and that's how you should help me in this channel. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for those of you who subscribe. There is one person who subscribed in my Facebook page. Is the first one. I appreciate that, and I'm very happy. So kindly subscribe. It's also, you need to go to my Facebook page to make a review. Just make a review. It's also going to help Facebook to recommend our page so that a lot of people can view or can see what we are doing here. Okay? Bye bye. I'm William Majak. Kepiat itong jang. Dormi alik kawe kuyanya. Ugaban yuk next lesson. Keep waiting. Next lesson is going to be very good one. Bye bye for now.